For some reason, it's always very sad when the rain is pounding on the glass. Everything that is empty is flooded with water, and leaves are streaming in the wind. And a sadly rainy day, and the tearful glass windows, everything makes you sad and lazy. What has been following me from time immemorial? And the arrows flashed instantly, lightning bolts sent from somewhere in the sky. They reflect in the empty eyes, the look that Zeus sent with lightning. For some reason, it always rains. For some reason, it always rains. I vaguely wanted to love, but it always comes out when it rains. For some reason, it always rains. For some reason, it always rains. Throw away the time-worn rains and forget about all the past. The wrath that is always hidden in the heart, obviously the rains wash away the dusty shells of the times, and what I couldn't say stays there. Everything goes soft and slow, every corner soaking through, and I stand there not moving while the sky keeps saying more. And the arrows flashed instantly, lightning bolts sent from somewhere in the sky. They reflect in the empty eyes, the look that Zeus sent with lightning. For some reason, it always rains. For some reason, it always rains. I vaguely wanted to love, but it always comes out when it rains. For some reason, it always rains. For some reason, it always rains. Throw away the time-worn rains and forget about all the past. Maybe the heart is a small raft, maybe it waits beneath the storm. Even if the shells are washed clean, something in me keeps its form. For some reason, it always rains. For some reason, it always rains. I vaguely wanted to love, but it always comes out when it rains.